Okay, en route to Mukteshwar, through some different roads, not through the Nainital main road, because the cab driver whom we hired, so he's saying this is a shorter route. I just need open roads, man. Finally some mountain roads, and the weather is now cool. It's absolutely nice weather. We're just looking forward to reaching our destination. I have to concentrate a lot because roads are very winding. I mean, the curves are very sharp. See the beauty over there in the horizon. Okay guys, I'm in the cloud. I'm officially in the cloud. বলতে নাকি that's the lake. I think it's Nainital, Naini Lake. I think so, if I'm not wrong. I have come here perhaps once or twice. Habol. তোর ইন্ডিকেটর লাইট আচ্ছা আচ্ছা ওকে ইউ আর আমার এই যে আমি শুনতে পাচ্ছিস हाँ can you hear me? अच्छा I am at Naini Lake. अच्छा call Aditya, we are coming. Call Aditya here. Okay folks, so I am following the cab. This is the cab which we hired. My friend is sitting inside, and I have already lost my way twice. Now I'm not overtaking him, I'll be following him all the way to our cottage. Oh man, it's been a very rough day, but it's cool. I mean, with this type of weather now I'm feeling kind of little relaxed. 317 ridden so far, 26.5 kilometers to the liter. Not bad. Oh man, it's quite cloudy. I hope you guys can understand, figure out. It's pretty cloudy. Road condition isn't that good, and I'm really tired. Oh, there's a behemoth in front of us. So 327.8 kilometers I have ridden from home. Okay, overtaking this behemoth would be a great challenge. Not for me, but for this guy. Seems like he has done it. Oh, he has done it. Yeah, he has done it. Oh. And the pressure is still 17 kilometers. Oh. Extreme fatigue now. Oh. God is also saying, you wanted off-road, le bhai. Take this, the bunker. You wanted off-road, take this bunker. Oh, 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 oh. Proper also. I missed it. There is proper also. Oh my. Oh. Oh, how sad. What? Huh? Hey guys, my GoPro's battery went dead, so I just couldn't record the last approach of this area. I'm telling you, even the approach to this area it's an adventure of another level. It's extremely steep. I mean, I was able to bring my bike up, but now I'm just wondering that if it starts raining, it will be a real challenge to take my bike down. Anyways, let me show you our room. So this is okay. I think there is a little bit of room. Okay, so this is our room. I love it, the decor and everything. And now this is our kind of private balcony. Very dark. There's a dark man sitting. Plus, it's very dark, so there's nothing coming. This is my 1 minute. There's a light here. কোনো পোকা আসছে না আরে দাঁড়া না ডে লাইট নিয়ে নে না দে vlogging baby এরকম করে দাঁড়া okay catch you guys later we are having a drink all right